Hello again, everybody. Welcome to a classroom for manual and mental experiment. My friend Akins is joining me today for the next class. Welcome, Akins. I will arrange some few matches here in stack. And first, I told you can also take your matches and arrange with me as well. We have stack of 11, 7, and 6 matchsticks. Okay. The object of this puzzle is to have 8 sticks in all the 3 stacks. But this is a condition of movement. You can only move as much matches as it is in the stack that you're going to add, which means that if this space is 6, you can only move 6 matchsticks over here. You can't move less or more. Do you get me? So try and figure out how to go about it. We have 11 here, 7 and 6. Okay. So you can add all 6 to this one.
One, two,
Move them 2 twos.
three, 4, 5.
5. Okay.
So not 8. 1, 2, 3, 7.
Okay.
Six. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow, that's wonderful. But you have gone through several moves, more than 7 to 8 moves. But do you believe that I can do it in just 3 moves? Okay, so I will do it in 3 moves. So let's reset it. We have 11, 7, and 6. That is what? 24. And we can divide 24 by 3 to get what? 8. Oftentimes, when I say this puzzle for people, they always in habit to move from the bigger one to the very small one. And that is the trick behind it. Anytime you move from this side to this side, in the course of time, you'll be able to get it, but you will have more moves. You get me? Okay, so I will take 6 sticks from the first stack, add to the second stack to get 14. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 1, making what? 14. I will take 6 from the second stack, add it to the third stack to get 12. 1, 2, 3. So here we have 8 remaining. We have 4. This is 12. So I'll take 4 from the one. Now we have what? So we have what? We have 8, 8, 8. And the puzzle is up. Thank you very much for joining me once again, Akins. You are welcome. Thank you also for watching, and see you again in the next class.